Well, it's Sunday morning, June, I don't know, 22nd, 21st, and it's been a nice walk into this village, heading into, I think it's called Trabajero or something, almost like work, but it's been a really beautiful walk. We took the less strenuous route, and I'm so thankful we did. Hello, Gato. Hola, Gato. ¿Cómo estás, Gato? Meowlo. Hello, kitty. Anyway, sorry. Yeah, so thankful we did it. And so now we're walking into this little town, and we're gonna stop and have a little bite to eat. Yeah, there it is, Trabajero. You see the sign? Trabajero. Get something to eat. I need to get some potassium or something. And we've been walking along this river, which is really cool. And there's wild, see, river. There's also wild cherries. I don't know if you can see. This tree is full of cherries. That's a cherry tree. So I picked some of those and ate. That's good, and I think we're gonna stop there. And here comes Morgan right now. Hello, Morgan. Morgan, there's a gato. All right, buen camino.